rain a little bit. Oh, we've got a bit of rotation coming in. Here we go.
Everybody, this is once again a quick smash and grab video. I'm down here at the player show at the Goodwood Motor Circuit. Now, if my calculations are correct, you would have seen the Honda Civic Type R FL5, and well, I love the thing, it's fantastic, but I'm about to have a go in something that's been modified. To the regular viewers, a few years ago, I drove quite a powerful Honda Civic FK8 Type R by Dream Automotive, and guess what? Dream Automotive have got an FL5 Civic Type R, and over here is Phil, who runs Dream Automotive. How you doing, man? You all right? It's been a few years, hasn't it?
It's been a little while.
Right, you've got an FL5 Civic Type R.
Yep.
I like the standard one. I think it's fantastic. Tell me more about this one, because you've done a few modifications.
We jumped straight in on this.
Yeah, you have. You've gone to town.
We've got brakes all around, front and rear. We've got big brake kit on the rear.
What, like AP Racing?
Got the big APs on the front as well. Okay. Nitron have developed a new coilover kit for this car.
Cool.
So it's a new road sport kit.
Nice.
So it utilises the standard top mounts. It's a little bit more road compliant.
Okay.
The car was a little bit more grown up, refined. It's gone up in price as well. So
it has,
again,
yeah.
we were sort of wanting to reflect that in not just throwing on a race set of coilovers.
Okay.
It's also got some of the basic bolt-ons. So we've got intake, intercooler and exhaust on the car.
Okay.
None of which made massive power differences.
But it was already running more power than stock,
so stock power, we were getting around 340 horsepower, 345. So a fair bit over the 325 that it's supposed to be.
Okay, cool. So literally, power's basically a little bit breathed on.
Yeah.
Bit above, but what's going to be the transformations? Obviously, I haven't driven the FL5 on track, but on the road at least, we're not going to go out on the road. We might do another video where we go on the road. Has it compromised road driving, or has it been pretty
No,
right,
we've
pretty solid?
just been over to Germany last weekend.
Okay.
Car drove fantastically.
Okay.
We're on a different set of tyres today.
Okay.
But for road holding, works really well.
Okay, awesome stuff. Well, I'm about to have a go in this, and don't worry, mate, I'll bring it back in one piece. Yeah, I'll try my best, but yeah. Let's see what happens. But before I go out on track in this Civic Type R, this video is brought to you by Car Vertical. Car Vertical is an online vehicle search history check which has access to one of the largest database networks in the UK and in Europe. It's a very handy tool for when searching your next used car. You can check whether the car in question has had mileage rolled back, hidden unrecorded damage, or even if it's been stolen in the past. And it's a tool that I would 100% recommend and use. It's been handy for me in the past when searching for used cars out there, and it could potentially save you thousands in the long run. It's very easy, it's very simple to use. Just go onto the Car Vertical website, hit the reg in the car in question that you're looking to purchase, and use the discount code SID in the links down in the description for 10% off. Right, we're going to have a walk around on this. We're going to wait for everyone to drive out. It's like a mini Goodwood Festival of Speed. If you haven't been to Players, I highly recommend it. There's some really cool cars over there, over here, but let's have a little walk around on this FL5 Civic Type R. Now, as you can see, I hope the camera can pick it up, but it's finished in this dark green. It looks like paint, but it's not. It's like a PPF tint. It's got these TR10 lightweight wheels forged. It's got upgraded front splitter. It's on the 18-inch wheels, semi-slick Nankan tyres. It's lighter in each corner. Inside, Phil's got the seat cover on. I don't blame him, because these red seats can get dirty. It is a cool bit of kit. Right, let's go out for a drive on circuit and see what's what.
Right, here we are then, Civic Type R. Just going to get comfortable and used to the car at Goodwood. How you feeling, Phil, alright?
We're good.
Just going to get some heat in the tyres a little bit. So everything's set to R mode. Obviously, how have you had the suspension set up just for...
It's 10 clicks off its hardest in a minute.
Okay.
So it's ready to be hard.
You can feel it moving around a little bit. Just want to get some heat in it. mean, first impressions, it just feels so eager. Everything I said about the standard Civic FL5 Type R is virtually the same, I'll be honest with you. Steering's really good, engine loves the pull. It feels more than what the stock power suggests once you put it on the dyno anyway.
Yes.
Pedal feel in this is just absolutely sublime. Wow. It loves to rev this engine. Pulls all the way to 7,000 RPM. So much grip from these tyres. It did rain a little bit. Oh, we've got a bit of rotation coming in. Here we go. For a front wheel drive car, it just feels beautifully set up. Wow. A little bit of understeer, just to save the car, but I am still trying to get some heat in the tyres. Grit's gone up, hasn't it?
Yes, you can feel it when they come on.
Down is straight, 110. 20, 130, see what the car can do. Yeah. I think we've got some heat in there. Starting to rotate a little bit now.
Moving around.
Here we go.
129.89.
It goes, doesn't it?
It does.
And it just
And
feels
this isn't tuned yet either.
I know. Just feels so robust. Obviously, I've driven the road car FL5 on the road, but I can't really compare it to what it's like on track because I'm doing the FL5 on track. But the suspension is very firm. I suggest it's quite firm on the road as well.
Yeah, I usually soften off for the road.
Okay.
Today, coming on track, we've switched up a little bit.
Yeah, look, it's just feels like a touring car. It should feel ready. Come on, let's go over the Civic. That's quick, that escort. Yeah. So we get a few laps in here. It's a bit crabbish. Got some busy traffic over here, haven't we?
Yeah.
Safe, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's never
Predictable,
gonna...
you know where it's going.
Yeah, you
when it
just know where
starts to
you
let,
want.
you can feel where it's pushing on or where it's going to rotate.
It's predictable. Maybe. Probably. Sure. Right. Hopefully we get a
Clear lap
fast lap now.
131.63.
Right. Through here it's flat chat. Snatch bit, 120 mile an hour, keeping it flat through here.
Oh, no.
Got a limp homo.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Does it turn it on and off?
Yeah, but it's going to be the low fuel.
Ah. Shall we try it?
Try it. I don't know if it'll work though, because it's steering and that. I've never tried it myself.
Right then, track session done on the FL5 Civic Type R. I told you I'd bring it back in one
You did?
piece.
Yep.
There you go.
Honored your word.
Yeah, I did. I did for once in my life. But we did have a little bit of a problem. There was a fuel surge. It's a common problem on the
Seems to
Type
be,
Rs.
yeah, it's
if you
common.
go below half a tank, it's cutting out. But first impressions with this, like I said on track, if you heard some of the footage of me talking about it, I haven't driven the stock FL5 Civic on the circuit, but this seems to be, well, I'd like to think it's a little bit more. That's a GT4 in the background, does sound good. But yeah, first impressions are the brakes. AP Racing, the pedal
Phenomenal.
feel just there. There with you all the time. You can almost think it's carbon ceramics. That's the best bit about it. Motor pulls strong all the way to the top end, and there's just a great sense of communication in the car, just like the standard car. Obviously, you've got it set up to be proper stiff.
Just
and
amplified a little bit more.
Yeah, a little bit more. And Goodwood's got a couple of bumps, but we managed to get a lap in there where we did give it some stick, and it's really nice. But you've got options with the car as well. But it's fantastic grip on it. But yeah, I loved it, mate, and. Interesting to see what it'd be like once you give it some more power.
400 horsepower.
400 horsepower.
Animal.
Yeah. Well, we need to do another video on that. But dude, thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Go check them out. Dream Automotive. They're the guys, especially if you've got an FL5 Civic Type R, FK8 Type R, because they know how to work wonders. And if you want to see the previous video of the FK8 Type R, go check that out. And also, please like and subscribe. I'm going to do some more videos. I'm going to try and do 1 to 3 a week and do more content like this. Until next time, folks, see you later.